Good morning, everyone. Over a decade ago, a metal-on-metal implant configuration has caused distress towards thousands of patients worldwide. This was because the articulation between the metallic components produced toxic debris into their bloodstreams. Now, to this day, patients that have this implant are being tested year after year to ensure that their bloodstreams aren't being poisoned. Now, this event has obviously compromised the foundation of trust that we have for the implant industry. The only silver lining is the introduction of stricter regulations and better testing standards to ensure that a catastrophe like this won't happen again. This leads me to my next point, which is the importance of wear testing. So, wear testing is a process that allows us to understand the durability of implants under different loading conditions. It also helps us spot any potential problems that may arise even before they become widespread. Now, over the years, we've made some massive improvements when it comes to hip wear testing and knee wear testing, which is why we've now got this really durable implants and in turn, better patient outcomes. That's brilliant, but what about shoulder replacements? Unfortunately, to this day, there is still no known wear testing standards when it comes to shoulder replacements. And that is why we have this massive gap in our understanding of their durability, their longevity, and their performance. This could be because of the complexity of the shoulder movements, or it's also because of how varied it is from person to person. So our team at LJMU has recognized this issue and decided to take the task on so that shoulder replacements are also able to tell their stories. Our method uses finite element modeling in conjunction with an algorithm that would allow us to simulate shoulder movements for millions of cycles efficiently. Behind me are 4 activities of daily living and their corresponding wear patterns if you simulate them equivalent to a year of service. So we have eating, drinking, perineal care, and shoulder sway while walking. Now, you guys might think, well, these are very mundane tasks. Who cares about them? But these are the very tasks that shoulder patients would need to be able to withstand in order to care for themselves independently again right after surgery. With our method, we are confident that we are able to aid in the creation of better, safer, longer-lasting implants, and most importantly, provide better care for patients. Thank you so much.